Hi, I'm Paul from pdhsports, leading online racket specialist, and today I'm taking a look at the Dunlop Performance Backpack. So this is the latest colourway, nice blue, black, grey colourway. It comes with fantastic sort of cushioning on the back of the bag and on the shoulder straps. Also you have the clips here to be able to secure this if you're, say, running or on a bike. You've got like an easy pickup system on there. There's the back separating compartment where it will easily fit a racket. You've also then got the front of the bag. There's like one very large main compartment. You've also at the bottom of the bag got a compartment where you can maybe sort of separate. It's ventilated and you can separate with your shoes or even your kit. And then it's got a little sort of another little pocket on the side, on both those sides. So this bag is available at pdhsports. It's the Dunlop Performance Backpack.